Okay, so I've got 3 different welding jobs tomorrow that I gotta do. So I'm gonna load the welder in the truck with the winch. So I'll get this thing out of the way and get her loaded. Okay, so now that the welder's loaded, that's the main thing. This is just a Thermal Arc Scout. It's a 170 amp DC welding machine. It also runs 6010, and you can also run TIG off of it if you had to. I have an extension cord. This is a 12 gauge, I believe. Yeah. Don't run anything smaller than 12 gauge. I can run my MIG welder off of that. So that's another thing I'm packing next. Reason I need a cord that big because I'll be running a buzz box tomorrow. So this is a Lincoln MIG Pack 140. I got gasless flux cord in this right now. This can weld stainless steel, mild steel. I can weld aluminum if you buy a spool gun for it. So that's another thing getting loaded up. So I'll put that in here. Also, if you have like a really nice truck, don't do any of this stuff. If you want to keep your vehicle, then do not bring it on side welding jobs. I plan on driving this thing for a long time. If I had like a nice Denali with chrome wheels and stuff, forget it. That's not a work truck. I might be blowing some holes tomorrow, or at least one. So I bring a box of 6010 1/8. This rod, you can weld with it and you can cut with it. So, that ready. Little mini jaw box. I got this little tin box for like $25 from Princess Auto. Got my welding shield. 6-inch grinder. I always use a 6-inch grinder, and I'm actually gonna pack my 4.5-inch grinder too, just in case I need that. I only use 6-inch and 4.5-inch grinders. I don't even know why they make 5-inch grinders. They're completely useless. A 6-inch grinder fits anywhere a 5-inch does, and anywhere a 5-inch won't fit, a 4.5-inch does. So why do they make 5-inch grinders? I have no idea. Industry standards now is going towards 6-inch. I know a lot of American companies all run 6-inch grinders. That's why I run one. Like, why would you not want the extra inch, right? Bring in just a little ratchet set, just in case. Last but not least, my leads. So my stinger, I think I have like 30 feet of cable on this end. My ground, I only have like 15 feet of cable. That's definitely my next investment for this stuff, is I'm gonna get 200 feet of cable. Okay, so next job, blade for a tractor. Ripped off the bracket for the hydraulic cylinder there. Ripped a hole right in the beam. So I'm gonna get to fixing that. Still a piece of the old shell on this, so I gotta cut that off. Okay, so gouged all that weld off, well, cut it off and grinded it flat. Piece came right off. So I grinded inside. I cut this out because there's going to be a weld going on the other side of that bracket on the inside. Okay, just grinded out the patch plate, bevel to go around the weld on the bottom, and slit for the plug there, and then all the corners are rounded off and the edges are rounded too, because that disperses energy better, like stress. So if you have a straight edge and a sharp corner, probably the stress is going to run along that straight edge and into the corner and crack. So I always cut the corners off and round all the edges, except for the horizontals. The verticals always round, the horizontal should be fine. Kept breaking on the corners, so I have a practice coupon I had in the box, a wedge. Practice coupon makes like an L shape, call it a dog. Found the wedge in, now the gap is pretty tight and good to tack. Okay, finished this one up. All welded out. It's pretty good. Welded overhead. That's done. Okay, next job. Right beside the other one, basically making one of these out of some angle iron to replace that one. I'm going to leave that one on because there's no point in cutting it off. hole blown through. Focus. And now I'm going to weld out the bottom of the pin. Actually, I got to flip it around first before I almost forgot. Okay, so there's the finished product. I couldn't film it because it's raining. I don't want my camera outside, so I'm just holding it quickly. But that's a keeper pin. So when they load a skid steer in this dump trailer, the cylinder won't hold it. So this pin for sure will from tilting. Okay, so I included pictures of all the work I did, and I'm gonna have the time it took and the price that I charged in the still pictures. Overall, all 3 jobs went really good. 2 of them ended up being more work than I thought they were going to be, like the trailer fenders and the tractor attachment repair. Yeah, overall, had a good time. I'm going to be having another job where I got to take the razor somewhere, and so I test fit the welder in it and it fits fine, so hopefully that'll be another video. I'm going to be filming more videos like this, so keep your eyes out, and hopefully I can gain some more subscribers and views and start making money again doing this.